Technology empowers life. Wisdom leads the future. 21st century. Cloud computing, digital information, and IoT are deeply changing life and work. Under the development of 5G mobile information highway, the AI technology has been springing up and raise a new round of technological revolution and industrial transformation. We are keeping to explore how to apply the leading technology and aiming to provide you a smarter and more convenient life. Haodexin is always committed to create unlimited possibility. As living in a new term of end-to-end Internet of Everything, Haodexin is striving to be a reliable IoT solution provider. Haodexin is a high-tech enterprise. We have large-scale SMT processing, PCBA post-welding test, end product assembly line, and strict quality control system, and has built a professional technical R&D team. We have been providing worldwide customers with one-stop service from product definition, product development, to PCBA manufacturing and end product ODM. Standardized, detailed assembly workshop, scientific and rigorous production process, strict quality inspection to ensure our every piece precise product. Sophisticated with SMT high-speed chip mounter, reflow oven, and advanced AOI equipment to ensure our every perfect chip. Haodexin has formed two major businesses of Smart New Retail and Smart Reception. The Smart New Retail business covers desktop POS terminal, payment box, handheld terminal, bus validator, and facial pay terminal. Multiple payment methods integrated on one device, such as QR code and barcode, magnetic stripe card reader, IC chip card reader, mobile phone NFC, face recognition, palm vein identification, thermal printing, etc., meeting the application of multiple payment methods. The Smart Reception includes smart visitor registration, face temperature measurement terminal, and power saving system. The Smart Visitor Terminal is equipped with a wide dynamic face recognition camera and integrates ID card reader, face recognition, fingerprint recognition, and OCR document reader. The face temperature measurement terminal can simultaneously complete face recognition, temperature detection, attendance and visitor registration. Supports query information via apps, big data sharing, and integrating access control system. With power saving system, people can easily control the use of electricity in houses, such as computer, air condition, indoor lighting, thus making life more energy saving. We have established a professional product laboratory, anti-static, anti-seismic, anti-fall, corrosion resistance, and the life full test to ensure the product's stability and reliability. Haodexin, as a high-tech enterprise, obtains more than 10 utility model patents, appearance design patents, and software copyrights every year, and most products have been verified by China compulsory certification. Benefit by relatively perfect marketing and after-sale service system. Our business covers more than 20 provinces in China and exported to nearly 100 countries worldwide, providing high-quality products and services to the world. Under the globalization trend of AI and 5G technology, Haodexin will continue to provide high value-added products and service, striving to be a reliable IoT solution provider.